Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Monday, April 21st, and this is my analysis for the pound US dollar. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, link down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com, and watch the video on the home screen to learn more about my benefits. So, anyways, the pound US dollar made a pretty strong move up last night in the Asian session. It's not a holiday for them, but it is a holiday for most people. So it kind of makes sense that they were trying to push things up during the Asian session when most people are asleep. And it also makes a lot of sense because all the higher time frames are definitely in an uptrend. I've been saying this for a long time, but my target for this move up is someplace around the 1.5. So I am very, 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 very bullish on this, on all the pairs, really. Now, we could possibly get a area of resistance right here. This is the 61% Fibonacci extension. Could be an area of resistance. So if price does make a dramatic turn, it would have to be a very dramatic turn for me to turn bearish, but if it does, then it makes some sort of a pullback. Then I guess you could try to go short on the pullback to see what it turns into. But I really, really, really highly suggest looking for longs unless you see a really good reason to look for a short, like a big impulsive turn and then a little three-wave zigzag. That would be a good reason to look for a short. Otherwise, I would highly, highly suggest continuing to look for longs because there is nothing stopping this thing from continuing the uptrend, especially because I think we are very clearly in a wave three on the US dollar index and all the US dollar pairs. And wave threes are supposed to be the biggest, strongest wave of a trend. So, anyways, don't forget to like and subscribe. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.